Hey kids, hope you're all well. So we are back with a new pickup. No prizes for guessing what these are. Very hyped indeed. It's the ZX 10000C Overkill Game Over or Game Boy edition. So I mean, this is the third iteration of the shoe. The first two were outstanding. Yeah, this third colourway absolutely made me drop straight away. Had to get it. So yeah, without much further delay, let's crack this box. This lovely consortium box. Let's crack this box open. I will have to jump cut because it is a slidey box. Can't really do that with one hand. So yeah, let's get these open. Right, so here we go, out of the box, and as you can see, absolutely fantastic shoe. So they are obviously, I mean, they're such a beautiful technical shoe. I mean, it is the personification of what a technical runner should be. It's got all the facets there, and bit of nostalgia as well for anyone like myself that grew up in the 80s, 90s. I had a Game Boy, Nintendo Game Boy in 1989 or 1990. So you got a direct reference on the lace jewels here, A and B, and the whole colourway in general just plays reference to the Game Boy. In fact, even the insole, the green of the insole is meant to represent the screen. Obviously the button colours, the logo colours, everything is a direct reference. So let's have a look at the accessory bag that comes with the shoes. So you do have a lace swap in here. And you've also got some lace jewels, some alternative lace jewels in here as well. I think they've probably got the Overkill logo on them. Yeah, the wrong way round, typical, but yeah, I think they've got the Overkill logo on one and probably the the torsion logo on the other. So absolutely fantastic shoe. So let's do a toe to tongue on these. This is obviously a collaboration with Overkill shop in Germany. So on one shoe you've got the Overkill logo. On the second one you've got the Adidas trifoil. So absolutely fantastic. You've got the torsion logo on the side of the shoe. And just to look at the suede, so you've got the suede, heavy suede on the toe box area here, on the side, and on the top of the shoe. I don't know what this area is called, but if we zoom in right on the toe box suede, and you'll see the quality here. Nice deep pile to that. So underneath we've got the torsion there. Love me a torsion bar, I do. Yeah, so we've got a torsion bar underneath and a soft cell on the heel. So these are going to be extremely comfortable. So I've not tried them on yet. I believe they're true to size. Just due to the narrowness of the top, probably a bit of a squeeze to get on, but once they're on, I'm sure they will be fine. So yeah, that's it really guys. So I just thought I had to jump on and show you this amazing pickup, really. You know, what a shoe. I mean, all three iterations have been absolutely fantastic. Here's the instep here. So yeah, what more is there to say? Not much really. I'll get these badges on foot now. Oh right, yeah, sorry, not been around the back, have I? Almost forgot. A lot of detail on the back as well. So you've got reflective strip near the heel tab. You've got Adidas on one with the Overkill logo, and then on the other one you've got Overkill stitched into that reflective strip, and the trifoil at the back. You've also got these features here. I could probably go on about these all night, but yeah, we haven't got all night. So I'll pop these on feet now, as I always do. I will be back soon, quite soon, for another good release. Take care of yourselves, guys. I'll catch you next time. Cheers.